Hey guys, I'm Dia and welcome to Freshers Camp. Hope you guys are doing great. So we are back with another opportunity for you guys, that is the Wipro Freshers Recruitment 2020. But before that, I want to tell you something about our channel. We provide latest updates on government jobs, campus placements and many other opportunities. We also provide some of the preparation materials for government jobs and campus placements. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell button so that you can get our latest updates. Now the good news is Wipro is hiring candidates for the role of Excel Administrator for the location of New Delhi. Now the job category is IT software and experience required is 0 to 1 year or freshers. Now mandatory skills are Excel and qualification required is graduation. Now some of the job responsibilities are handle first level incidents, follow security process for engagement, log file monitoring for errors, etc. You can find a detailed list of job responsibilities in the list given in our description. Don't forget to check it out. Now I will share my screen from my laptop to show you guys how to apply for this application. Again, all eligible and interested candidates can apply for this company. So guys, we've come to this page of Wipro Off-Campus Recruitment 2020 and you have to apply online. And now just slide down for the link and for the details. So these are the details of the company. You can have a check and the eligibility criteria and the updates and job description again, and here is the apply link. So this kind of a page will open up. Just click in apply. So now for applying for the application, you need to first accept with the privacy policy, and then you have to upload your resume. You have to give your first name, email ID, contact number, last name, then experience. You have to select the years and the months and then simply submit. So guys, these were the simple steps by which you can apply for this company, that is the Wipro Freshers Recruitment for 2020. Thank you. So guys, these were the simple steps by which you can apply for this application. I hope you liked the video. Do not forget to like, share and comment, and also to subscribe to our channel for latest videos.